Hey, hello. How is everyone doing? We have some activity in the weekend. Nice to see. Good. I'm doing good as well. Hey, Ellie. Hello. Do you want me to go over a day 4 or day 5? Or even go back to the first 3 days, maybe? Day 5? Day 4? Array index out of bounds. Yeah, I think it's related to, well, I would need to see your code to debug that. Okay, I'll start quickly with day 4, just quickly. Also, day 4, I corrected a bit. I explained the airdrop function yesterday during the last mentorship session, so it's on YouTube. Okay, we have a few errors. Let's actually debug people first, and then I'll share my what I wanted about day 4 and day 5. So, hey, Heli.
Hey,
Do you want to share a bit more? It's possible that you have issues with the Motoko starter. There are a few issues with it.
okay, so shall I, yeah, okay, shall I share my,
Christopher, the deadline is so for the graduation, I'm gonna let it run through all the weekend, and I will close on Monday. So my Monday morning, so it will be like 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. for UTC time. And then for the other contests, so if you want to participate in the DAP contest, you have other deadlines. But this is optional. So yeah, let's go.
okay, shall I share my screen? Ah, no, I cannot.
Ah, crap. Yeah, you're good now.
Okay, perfect. So here, can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
So I guess it just syntax error or something, but I'm not sure where. I tried to have this homework inside the actor, the type homework, but it doesn't change anything. I tried it here with let, but it didn't work.
Can you put it inside? Yeah, I want to try because
This inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And shall I try to run? Okay, let's do it. I already did it. Non-static expression in library. What does it mean?
You have another, oh wait, type error. Line 9, can you go to the types? The types.mo file?
Where, yeah, okay. Ah, it's because there is already this homework that is.
Shouldn't cause any issue, but okay, let's go back to the main.
So that's the only thing I changed. The types.mo, I didn't touch it.
Okay, can you scroll down? Just wanna verify. Yeah, again. Okay, go up. Very strange.
Maybe it's not the correct name or something. No, it's not possible.
Can I see dfx.json?
Here.
Okay.
D2. This I did not touch. It's the only thing I copy paste my main.mo here. That's the only thing I did.
Can you remove the, like there is a space? I know it's probably not this, but just here. Then let's remove homework completely, the type, and import it from the import types. Yeah, like this.
How is it?
YPE.
It's like this. I do it
Yeah.
like this.
With yeah, like this, and then types, just types. Yeah.
Type.mo like this.
You don't need the mo, and also I think it's capital sensitive, so you need to like.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then type homework is equal types.homework.
Types like this.
In the actor.
Yes. Okay.
You could do like this, but it's better if you define it once and then you can use it homework everywhere instead of doing types.homework. So just line 16, just
Yes.
before, write type homework is equal to types.homework. The type should be the lowercase one. So like
this.
Like this without the S. So just like if you're defining a type, just like you're doing just like you are doing with the up, like from line 10 to 15, you have this type homework. So you do exactly the same, but instead of putting all the fields, you just do types, this time with a capital letter. So the types file dot homework. So you're importing the type. Okay.
Like this. And
yeah,
then
like this.
Then I don't need this.
Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna change something. I don't think so, but I just wanna try. And this error is very strange.
Okay. Okay, but maybe I can try to.
I don't know. I think there is a problem with the template because it's your code is fine. So I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll try to verify it anyway, and I'll see if there is a mistake. But that's not something I should worry about.
Just in case, can you show me the main.test.mo? Go up. Okay. I understand. Change the name of your actor. So you go back to main.mo and you make just actor.
Yes.
Homework. Okay, it should be good now.
That's the only thing. Okay. No.
Okay, strange.
Because where did you see that await main dot? Where is the thing you saw that you have to call it homework?
This one, yeah, main.homework. It's important.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Now it's very strange.
Okay. So this I should keep it as I had it before for the very.
Well, you can, yeah, if you want, you can, but it shouldn't matter.
But in the
too much.
Okay,
you can import it or you can redefine it, but that's yeah.
No, I understand, but for the dashboard, it's does it have a types.mo that can make this work or not?
For the dashboard?
Yes, when there is the verification.
It doesn't matter how you import it. It will work
Okay.
anyway.
Okay.
As long
Okay.
as you have the functions that you need.
Okay. 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 So it just doesn't work, and I try it. Yeah.
So let me just check the template in case I see something. I'm looking on my side. Day 2. Okay, I understand. You need to make it actor class homework, because otherwise it's not able to import the. Okay, now it should work, I guess.
No.
Why is it homework cannot infer type of variable? Yeah, add parenthesis after the homework, so like this. Yeah. Okay, good.
Okay. Okay, and now it's passed. It means that it passed all the function.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
So it's good.
Thank you very much.
Cool.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Very good. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hey guys, make sure to use the Q&A feature as much as possible. Armando, you have a question?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if I can share my screen over here.
You need to accept the invitation. Yeah. So I will show, I hope we have enough time to show a bit about day 5.
You see the screen? You guys see it?
Yep. Okay, so you're on day 5, right?
Yeah. Yeah. After this long function,
yeah,
gave me headache. I'm trying to do the
yeah.
step 4. I don't know if my brain cells are already dead or so, but I'm trying to import the function verify ownership, and it says something that cannot infer type forward variable verify ownership.
Yeah.
I think I have my.
Oh, this is because you have used the same name for the name of the function and the name of the variable. So you should call.
Oh.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, it should. Yeah.
Do the FML.
You can call that test ownership, or yeah, I think. Yeah.
Well, I cannot test that. So I'll make my way through.
Yeah, looks good. Otherwise, yeah.
Yeah, I really think I have my, let's say, my path clear of what I have to do over here. So when things come up, I will be the QA.
Good.
Sorry for wasting the time.
No worries. All good. Okay, next question. So. Okay, can you explain the testing part of day 5 and give some examples? So yeah, I can do that. Let's go. So basically the idea here is to write the code for a canister that will automatically verify the submissions from students. So this is basically what I've been doing for this bootcamp with the dashboard. It's just that it's a very simple version of it because it only verifies one simple project, which is this calculator, which has only 3 functions. And yeah, that's the idea. So the step 1 is very much related to what we've seen. Like it's again another hash map. You have to add, see, update, and delete. So very, very similar to what we've done. There is only this question, which is you have to use pre-upgrade and post-upgrade to store the content of the hash map inside an array, in a stable array, so that you can perform an upgrade and you don't lose all your data. So that's the only complication here. I think I'll add, let me note that. I'll just add like the indication for that, how to do that. Then we have the testing. So the testing, let's do an example. So let's say we have our calculator, like calculator.mo and the main. So I'm going to remove that. So you should have the code for the calculator that is provided for you. It's this one. And let's say we want to test this canister. So I'm going to dfx start. Let's zoom. Dfx stop and dfx start. So I have my replica here. Good. And I will deploy the calculator. So I need to add it here. So there will be the tester, which will be tester.mo. This is this one. I can remove that. And I will have also calculator. Same. But instead of tester, it's the calculator.mo. Okay, so now I will deploy the calculator. So I have defined, let's say, what's the name of the function? It's tests. Yeah, it's only tests. And it's returning a test result. No, you don't need to deploy the calculator to the calculator. You only need to do it like if you do a local test, you can have the calculator to help you like see if your tests work. But you don't need the calculator to deploy to validate day 5. You can only deploy one canister. So this is how, this is how tests is defined. And so what it says, it's basically we have 2 kinds of error when you test. The first error is going to be, let's say we test the calculator and we call reset, and then the value of the counter is not 0, like it's something else. Let's say it's 10. Then we are receiving an expected value. So the calculator is not doing what the calculator should be doing. But there could be another type of error, which is that the canister doesn't even exist, or like the message is not sent, or there is something completely wrong. And so the first thing is to define our interface. So we can do it here or here, it doesn't matter. Yeah, here. Let calculator canister is an actor with the following methods. So we have, no, I can't just, okay, so I need to write it manually. So we have shared, add, which is shared, take an int, and returns another one, sub, same, and reset. I think it returns, yeah, returns an int, integer as well. So this is the type of the calculator. And now we need to define it like this, principal dot from to text canister ID, import that. Okay, so step 1, and define the interface. Try to call the canister. So let's try to call. We can do a try with a catch. So when you do a catch, there is the error that appears here. Let test1 is equal calculator canister dot reset. Can do await. If test1, so we should get 0, right? So if test1 is not 0, then we can return an unexpected value. So unexpected value, expected 0 got whatever. Int to text. Okay, let test2 is equal await calculator dot add 1. So we just reset the calculator to 0. Now we add 1, so it's gonna be 1. If test2 is different than 1, then the same. Let test3, we can sub 1, and then expected 0. Otherwise, if all the tests are passed, then we can do return. Okay. So we just pass, we just pass everything. And we don't forget that maybe those things will fail. Like it's possible that we don't receive an answer, or like the canister doesn't exist. So we can just do return unexpected error and say something went wrong when calling the calculator canister. And if we really want, we can also add error.message to see exactly what happened. So like this will take this and convert it to a message of type text. Okay. So now it should be like this, error, and then same, it would be error. Okay, I can deploy my tester. And now if I try to test, so defix canister call tester, and I will, so my canister ID are here. I want to test the calculator. Tester tests, and then just put the calculator like this. So we got our first problem, which is good. So we actually have used the try catch. Something went wrong when coding the calculator canister. I see this is an error type from the internet computer. Canister, no, trap explicitly unexpected ideal type when parsing NAT. This is probably because, but let me see, this should be, I forgot that sub is actually a NAT here. This is strange, but okay. So we need to change that. That's probably a mistake here from whoever wrote the calculator, I guess. But now it should work. Okay, so we just tested all the functions here. But of course, if we do something like, let's say, instead of sub, someone do something like this. Then unexpected value, expected 0 got 2. So that failed. Another thing that could happen is that maybe this function doesn't even exist. So if we do that, it's gonna throw an error. So unexpected error, something went wrong. Canister has no update method resets. As you can see, we've removed that. So does it help you with how we go about testing the calculator? Yes, great. So it's not the only way to do it. Like you could also test, let's say 2, and then here you would need to change to 2, but you need to understand the logic of this. And yeah. In day 5, I don't understand what is asking part 3. Yeah, so the part 3 can only be done on the IC. Because you need to call the management canister. So this is defined here. Motoko starter chapter. Let me see. The management canister is an interface that is defined as another canister. So it's like calling another canister, but actually it's not really a canister. It's more of a facade for like well, an interface for the internet computer itself to be able to manage. And so with the management canister, which is also defined in here, let me go back. It's here. These things. No. If I here, the management canister is a canister, so it's an actor with the following fields. So those are all the functions that we can call on it. And there is one which is really interesting. It's called canister status. And with this one, we can get the settings. Inside the settings, we have the controllers. And so that's what we need. The only problem is that this canister only exists on the IC. And so you cannot really do that locally. You cannot call that locally. I hope it explains a bit more. Okay, Balthazar, do you want to? Hey, yeah. Mudrizar, you can talk. You have talking permitted now. So if you have a question, I saw that you raised your hand, so I'm wondering. Okay, cool. Balthazar, do you want to go and show your problem? So it will get a bit like complex, but bear with me. If you have an error like calculator with ID and then a canister ID should fail, there are three canisters. So like let me show you. So wait, where is this code? I have too much. This is how I'm testing the days that you've submitted. So like this is the project you've been working on here and here. Yeah, so for day 5, there is 3, like I have deployed 3 calculators, which you need to test. So those one will be verified through your own verifier. And so I have 3. The first one should pass because everything is correct. The second one should fail because there is something wrong with it. It doesn't do addition properly. The last one should also fail because even though everything is working, it's not, the controller is not the good one. So it should also fail the verify work. It should pass the test function, but not the verify ownership. And so from what I can see, Balthazar, you have this one. And so if this one pass your code, it means that there is something wrong with your tests. You have not implemented the test properly. So I don't know if you want to show us your code and maybe I can help you debug. If you want that, just raise the hand. Otherwise, I'm not able to give you more like information on what happened exactly. So yeah, letting this. So yeah, if your canister trap with array out of bounds, then that's the same problem. I'll need to see your code to help you.
Hi.
Hey,
How can I show my screen? I think I'm doing something wrong because obviously I got the.
are you there? Okay, you're muted.
Okay, now it's better. Do you hear me?
Yeah,
All
I
right.
can hear you. I just see a white screen though.
White screen.
Yeah.
Why is that? Hmm. Okay, so share screen. White basic share. Yeah, but then I got this white screen. That's my problem. I can show you the white screen.
Ah.
Once more. Share screen. Advanced maybe.
Yeah, I was able to see something, but it was just a white screen with nothing. There was a number in the corner, like 1, maybe.
Yes, I think I can show this white screen, but it is obviously it's not what I want. It's
When you share your screen, you should be able to select the one that you want.
okay. So maybe a portion screen. Okay, now better.
1 moment. I don't see anything right now. I just
Okay, your screen share is loading. It says.
yeah.
Okay, that's still loading. This slowly. You are using enhanced encryption. Why? Whatever. It's useless. So slow. Maybe I just copy pasted this thing to the.
Yeah.
That's the best, maybe.
Yeah, let's do that.
So. Artist, okay, chat. Okay, then let me just put it here. So that's the thing. I think that's the problem. So I call the management canister because I copy pasted into the into our own Motoko file, and I deployed that one as well. And here I call the actor. And basically that there is a hint in the on the link that you provided that how to get this thing from the message.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a copy paste basically.
Yeah.
And yeah, but I suspect the problem is somewhere here.
So it's this one, right? Let's see.
Yes, but I mean, yours it's not gonna compile because obviously or might compile. But so the line 43, I have own file called so
Management.
I imported this management canister. It's a copy paste from GitHub. Okay, so I get the very same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And
So here, I think that you are missing the. Mm, So what's the error that you have already? It's the.
so I'm trying to get a value from an array.
Yeah.
Which is not there, so out of bound. So probably I am getting I'm trying to reference a array which is too big. Or it's not too big, but it's we don't have enough space for that.
Why is okay? I think I need to take a look again at the.
I mean the whole thing is a copy paste from the link.
Yeah.
From the it wasn't written by me. I just took from the definitive forum. Yes, exactly. Yeah, from this. And if you scroll down, you see that's I mean, I just got it from here.
Yeah. So this.
It's a copy paste, simple copy paste. I mean, yes. So you put it into a different
Function, yeah.
Function, but I mean, but the content is the same. It's identical. Now you see, I got the message from the error, so I got it as a text, and I just tried to parse this text, and it should be working like this.
I don't think there is a problem with this function, so we can try actually. Up. So just another. I see. I will keep it consistent with what I already have, so I will just call it IC. Yeah. Just copy paste this. Okay. And so. Now I will import that. Okay. So I actually need to deploy it on the IC. This is a problem of my own, nothing to do with the code that you have.
Okay.
It's just something I have. Okay, so we can do our first test, verify ownership. And so what about trying with this the canister itself? And I'm just going to need my principal. This here. Okay. This is my principal, and I'm testing on the tester. So yeah, I can do that. And let's see what happens. Okay.
So that's the problem.
Yeah, there's a problem.
That's the exact thing that I got.
Okay. Let's see. Put this here. This is very strange because the function works, the hack works. So it's like, yeah, you haven't changed anything, right?
No, I said that it's a copy paste. Yeah. So I didn't. I just copied. Apart from the fact that it's in the example, it's a standalone function. I put it into the catch branch. That's it.
Yeah. I'm not sure there. Yeah, I'm on the IC network, but it's also called a replica for some reason. You wouldn't say the line exactly. That's pretty strange. I think I know what's happening. There is no you haven't really like added anything in the case it doesn't fail. So let's see. If you just do this,
I'm not getting this. I mean, the whole thing is to provoke an exception, the purpose, isn't it?
yes, exact. But I don't know if because when we are testing it, okay, no, it doesn't matter. Because if you are testing it with like if the person you had this error when you submit to the dashboard, right?
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, so it shouldn't matter then. I will send you this. So
this many A's in the actor is referring to the remote canister, right?
for some reason I cannot copy paste this in the chat. Why is it that I cannot? Maybe it's just too long. I will do it on Discord. So
All right. Thank you.
okay, so what's your username on Discord?
API underscore Kelenken.
Ah, yeah, I got you. So I send you my version. There is something that is different. I don't know why, but there is something different. And I will also send you, well, with
All right. Thank you. I'll play around with it and see what's the next. How can I proceed from here?
Yeah.
Just one question. This is this 6 times or 7 times A is the principle of the canister, right?
Yeah, this one is the principle of the management canister. It's a special one because it's the one that's well, it's the one from the management canister. It's a bit special for some reason.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't need to change anything here. I just copy this thing, right?
Exact. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank you for the help. I'll play around with it and see what's the case.
Okay, cool.
Thank you. Cheers.
So I'm going to move because we have the presentation on cycle ops in 5 minutes. So I need to move and prepare that. And I see you there. Good luck.
All right. Thank you.